Good afternoon and welcome back to my online class. My dear learners, guardians and all viewers of the group. I am Muhammad Zahidul Islam, an assistant teacher of social science, Nagarhat Secondary School, Sholukupa, Jhinaidah. Dear learners, we have discussed about transformation of degree, especially superlative to positive in our previous class. Today, I will discuss about the transformation of degree from positive to superlative. So, I would like to go through my class, my dear learners. We have learnt in previous class about degree. Today, I can write a sentence on the board in positive degree. Suppose we can write no other student in our school is as good as Rana. Okay. I have written here, no other student in our school is as good as Rana. That means there are no students just like as Rana, just good as Rana. That means we can say here Rana is the best in our class. Yes, Rana is the best in our class. Okay, we can write in this way. Rana is the best student in our school. Okay. Rana is the best student in our school. We can follow here what is the difference between two sentences. In sentence 1, we use the positive form of the adjective. Positive form of the adjective or modifier. That was good. Okay, now in our next sentence, we use here best. The positive degree good, but here we used here best. This is the superlative form of the adjective good. Okay. So, in which sentence we use the positive degree, we said it is positive sentence. In which sentence we use superlative degree, we said superlative sentence or superlative degree. So, dear learners, what are the difference between two sentences? This is the positive and this is superlative. In our superlative sentence, how can we write here? We write subject of the sentence. Who is the subject of the sentence? At the last of the sentence, Rana. So we use here subject. Okay, subject plus verb. Okay, then we used the article the, and then superlative form of positive degree. Okay, we can follow here. At first we use the subject, then verb, then the article, then superlative degree, and we write here, we have written here a student in our school. Where this part of the sentence in positive degree? After no other and before the verb. So we can write here parts of the sentence after no other to before verb. Clear? Here at first we have used subject, then verb, then article the, then superlative form of positive degree, then the due parts of the sentence after no other to before the verb. That means student in our school. Okay, my dear learners. So we can apply the rule in another sentence. We can write here no other season in Bangladesh is hot as summer. Okay, what is the sentence? No other season in Bangladesh is so hot as summer. Okay, according to our rule, we can change it. What can we write first? Yes, summer. We can write here summer, then verb. Here I need to mention that we have to use here only singular verb. We have to use here singular verb, though it is with very few or no other. Okay. Summer is the, and then superlative degree. So what is the superlative form of the degree hot? Hottest. Yes, hottest. And then according to our rule, then the due parts of the sentence after no other to before verb. What is it? Season in Bangladesh. Okay, we can write here season in Bangladesh. Okay, dear learners, we can solve it. I think sometimes, not only sometimes, always we can try to memorize the rule. If you try to memorize the others made rule, you cannot memorize it. You cannot guess the idea about the rule. But if you make a rule in yourself, it can be useful for you. Okay. So at first I have written a positive degree, then transferred without memorizing any rule, and then I can make a rule and then I can solve another question. Okay, it is very effective for your learnings. Okay, so in another sentence we can sense without seeing any rule. Okay, so now dear learners, no other man in our village is as old as Kashem. Okay. What is the sentence? The sentence is, no other man in our village is as old as Kashem. That means Kashem is only the oldest person in our village. Okay. According to our rule, what can we use here? At first, yes, at first we have to use subject. Who is the subject here? Kashem. Then verb, and then then we have to use the superlative form of positive degree, oldest. Okay. Then, yes, according to our rule, we have to use this part of the sentence. Okay. Man in our village. So, man in our village. Okay. So, I think we have got the idea. So, now dear learners, I would like to share another rule of changing positive degree to superlative degree. In our previous class, we had used very few in positive degree. Okay, we can take an example in very few. Very few students are in our class are so brilliant as Antar. Okay. Very few students in our class are so brilliant as Antar. That means there are some students who are just like brilliant as Antar. So we cannot say here no other. So we have right here very few. That means in our superlative degree we can say one of the. Though here some students are brilliant just like Antar, so we can say Antar is one of the most brilliant students most brilliant students in our class. What is the sentence? Antar is one of the most brilliant students in our class. Okay, dear learners, can you guess about this sentence? What's the difference and what's the new in this sentence? Yes. In this sentence, we have written the subject of the sentence, which is used at last. But in this sentence, we used in first. Okay. Subject, then verb. Subject, then verb, plus one of the, and then superlative form of the positive degree, and then the due parts of the sentence after very few to before verb. Okay. That means the next option of the sentence or rules the same as previous rules, but at first we have to use one of the where which sentence is begins by using very few. We can apply the rule about this sentence. Okay, we can number it. Rule 2. Okay, my dear learners, without memorizing the rule, we can change the sentence. Without memorizing any rules, we can change the degree. And after that, we can make a rule. If we learn in this way, nothing is very difficult for us. Okay, at first we try to memorizing. We try to memorize. For this, we faces some problem. Okay, don't worry. Please follow the rule and change a sentence. Okay. Very few animals in our country are as ferocious as tiger. Okay, dear learners. So we can apply the rule in this sentence. According to our rule, we have to use the verb. What is the verb? Tiger. Okay, then is, then one of the, okay, one of the, then superlative form. Yes. What is the superlative form of the degree ferocious? Most ferocious. Most ferocious. There is a system here to make a comparative degree and superlative degree. For those type of words which is made with polysyllable, disyllable or trisyllable. That means without monosyllable. This type of adjective we can change by using more and most. Okay. If we add more or less before this type of adjective which is made of without monosyllable. Okay. And we can use most or less to make superlative degree this type of adjective. Clear? So, we can use here the most ferocious and then okay, according to our rule, animals in our country. Animals in our country. Okay, dear learners, I can erase the rule and I will give you the another sentence to transfer. Okay, so you can write the sentence in your exercise book and then transfer to superlative degree. Okay. Very few women, very few women in our village are beautiful so or as we can use here, beautiful as who? Shabana. This is the name Shabana. Okay. What can we write here? Okay. At first, subject Shabana. Then verb is then one of the, what we can write here? Most beautiful. Good. Most beautiful. Then women. Okay. Women in our village. Okay. So, my dear learners, we have learned about the rules for transforming positive to superlative. I think there is no problem here. You can guess the idea smoothly and easily. So, my dear learners, I would like to conclude my session here, and in next time I will return to you with another subject or another part of the subjects. Thank you very much for your enjoying the online class. Until then, Allah Hafiz.